ॐ शन्नो मित्रशं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ यच्छन्दसां वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोभ्योऽध्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पीतः श्रुतं मे गोपाय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ अहं वृक्षशरीरिव कीर्तिः पृष्ठं गिरेरिव ऊर्ध्वपवित्रो वाजिनीव स्वमृतमस्मि द्रविणगं सवर्चसं सुमेधा अमृतोक्षितः इति त्रिशङ्कोर्वेदानुवचनम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Okay, now we sannyasis are different in the sense you had lunch here, most of you at 12:30, 1:30, 2, 4 you had lunch. I had diksha. Swamiji also had diksha. You will go back home or you will go back to your room. I will go back to my kutia. My kutia is 514. No way it is a kutia. Because I had shower, I could not find the switch. I had cold shower and in the dark. Because just I need an engineer to find out things. But it is a kutia because I am a Swami. Then people die. Swamis don't die. They get into Mahasamadhi. So every day they get into Samadhi in the morning. From Savikalpa Samadhi to Nirvikalpa, which we will be doing tomorrow. So every day the Swami comes back from the Samadhi for breakfast. Mahasamadhi means he doesn't come back. He or she doesn't come back. So our language is different. So what is this? Pot. You said it is a pot. I am different. My biradari is different. I say this is clay. I say this is clay. Now, for one object, if there are two words that two words are there, you are saying something, I am saying something else. So there are three possibilities. Both of us are wrong, or either of us are wrong, or both of us are right. ठीक है? इतना तक समझ में आ गया. Considering both of us are right, are both of us equally right? Like I say, pani. You say tanni. Somebody else, some Sanskrit scholar comes, says jalam. Those three terms are equally right. They are synonyms. But when you say pot and I say clay, are both of us equally right or unequally right? Someone is more right than the other? We'll find out. We'll find out. Now, my clay is 150 grams. What is the weight of your pot? Where is pot? The weight of the clay is 150 grams. Pot doesn't have weight. Pot doesn't have weight. It's the clay. Allow me to take the class. So, really, I mean, your pot doesn't have weight. When, God forbid, you go to the goldsmith and say कि ये तो मेरा wedding ring है, बोले खाली वाली wedding ring ये तो 10 grams है, no making charges. I mean, वो उसका वेदांत बुद्धि बहुत ही पक्का है कि ये तो इतना ग्राम है, मेकिंग चार्जेस तो को छोड़ो और बाकी 2 कैरेट का वो सब छोड़ो. So if he can have Vedanta Buddhi, so I am saying the clay is 150 grams. Okay? If my clay is 150 grams, where is the pot? What happens? The Nayayika comes. Logician. We have so many systems of philosophy. Nayayika comes. He is very fond about Samavaya. So he will say the pot is on the clay. The pot is on the clay. He says, now this flower is, I can take it out. So if the pot is on the clay, can you take out the pot out of the clay? So the pot is not outside clay? Not outside clay? इतना तक तो समझ में आ गया होगा. Pot is not outside clay. Then the pot must be inside the clay. Let's assume it is inside the clay. What is this? Is inside the clay. Is pot inside the clay? Even if I take this out, I put my hand inside, I touch clay only. There is clay. I don't touch the pot. I am touching clay. There is no pot. This is Vedanta magic. All that you have is clay. There is no pot. Really, there is no pot. Really. The whole thing that Swamiji told, I mean, about art of living, relationship, all that, because we do not understand the reality of things. Because of lack of our understanding, that all these problems or issues or this pendulum attitude, yo-yo attitude. Now, if I have told you three ontological words about Satyam, Anritam and Tucham, we will work within these 3 words. Of the 3 words, I am giving the word Satyam, real, to the clay. Okay? I am giving that word, appropriating that word to clay. Now we are left with 2 words. Anritam, which means false. Then Tucham, which means non-existent, means square, circular, Vandhyaputra, or Shashashringa, Shachvishana, all that is there. Now, you can see this. There is a pot, it is not false like Raju Sarpa, the rope snake. So, this is not false, may not be real, because a false pot will not hold water. But this pot will hold water, so it is not false. 2 words gone. Now we are left with Tucham. Definitely it is not Tucham. It has a kind of existence. So what is it? You see, really, I mean, try to understand, because of a lack of word, our understanding is not clear, and we are attributing value to things. Maybe people are attributing value to things that are not real. So from that understanding, we go to other things. Here, what happens? Vedanta walks in. I told you that Vedanta is all about reality of things. What is real, what is unreal. So we have a word about the reality of this, what I am holding. That reality word is mithya. Mithya, which doesn't have a equivalent in English. Equivalent word in English. Why? In the sense, if a concept is not there, a word is not there. देखो जूठा, खाने के टाइम ये कर देते हैं. That word is in our culture. It is not there in British culture or other culture, because from the pot they will taste all those channels you see. And I am thinking, where is he going to put the spoon? Now, can I eat it? Forget about offering naivedya to Bhagwan, whether I can eat it or not. मेरा तो ऐसा ऐसा होता है, वो जब आके खाता कितना स्वादिष्ट है ये. So because the jhutha concept is not there, a word is not there. Israelis, they have kosher, but that is something else. Kosher, they have no kosher meat. And it means ritually it is clean, that kind. So the concept has to be there. So reality word, no, this Vedanta, this is the vision of the Upanishads that I am telling you. So that concept is not there elsewhere. So don't say it. Unlike many translated books, mithya is not illusion. If you say mithya is illusion, 12 साल ऐसे आप घूमते रहोगे कि ये जगत तो मिथ्या है. ये जगत, इसको तो मानने से मेरा हाथ ये होता है, मिथ्या कैसे है? It is not illusion like mirage. It is not mithya like Raju Sarpa. There is a kind of reality for this thing. So that don't go for the trans. Keep your understanding of mithya as mithya. Maximum nearest word is mithya. Mithya. They really thought I said something. Mithya is not illusion, mithya is not delusion. Mithya is again, mithya is adhisthana ananyatam, means anything that is does not exist independently. It is always based, its existence is always dependent upon something else. Something else, something else, something else. So when we analyze like that, then we come to Satyam. There is only one Satyam, we will see to that. Satyam is very easy to tell, explain, but this Mithyatum is very difficult, the difference. And because of this lack of a proper word attributing to this thing, means anything, means that mic, means the fan, means this hotel, means this jagat. There is merry-go-round between philosophers. It is not a merry-go-round, it is a sorrow-go-round. So people get stuck in the sense, including our Visishta Advaita, which says that this jagat is real. This jagat is real. That is not the vision of the Upanishad, so that is how it is. Now, when I say this is with reference to what? Clay is Satyam. But when you go and analyze, like this fabric, then finally you see that everything is mithya. I mean, depending on something else for its existence. You will say, okay, this is my Angavastra. Okay, you will say this is my Angavastra. Again I will say, no, this is fabric. So who is more right? Again I am more right. So then you say, okay, it is fabric. I said, no, it is not fabric, it is filament. Okay. Then you say, okay, it is filament. Then I'll say, no, it is fiber. Then you go back, it is atom. Then you go back up to what you can go back up to. The concept is there, quarks are there. Then after that, it is only in the notebook, physics notebook. बाकी आप कुछ बता नहीं सकते, So that is how you go back. Now, considering anything you objectify, is mithya. Again, I am not saying that mithya is illusion or non-existent. It is not, but it is not real. How it is not real? Now what is this? इसका नाम क्या है? What flower is this? Carnation. Carnation, C-A-R-N-E-T-I-O-N. चलो ठीक है. This is carnation. What is carnation? Where is carnation? I don't like to do this. This is carnation? ये क्या है? No, botany नहीं पढ़ा. Sepal. Sepal. Non-carnation? Non-carnation? Okay, पूरा निकाल देते हैं, इतना टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास. Non-carnation? ये क्या है? Petals. ये carnation है? नहीं है ना? Carnation? Carnation? क्या है? Petals. This must be carnation. ये क्या है? Stem. एक स्टिग्मा होगा. कोई तो बॉटनी पढ़ा है. ओके? चलो. So many non-carnation. This is carnation?
No.
This is the strong no. This carnation? No. Stem. So this whole thing is carnation. This carnation?
No.
Why? No more carnation.
Fragments of carnation.
क्या बताए? अभी इतना सा फूल देख रहे हैं मेरे सामने, तो आपने बताया कोई तो फूलों की रंगोली देखोगे तो पता नहीं चलेगा कौन सा क्या है. The whole thing, you take anything, is not that. When you come to Neti, it is not that. You will say this is fan. Which one is fan? The blade is fan, the center is fan, the rod is fan. You take anything. You take Mr. A. You take Swamini. Why I'll take one guinea pig? ये स्वामिनी है? वस्त्र तो स्वामिनी है नहीं. ये स्वामिनी है? ये स्वामिनी है? अरे सर, ये वाला स्वामिनी है. If you are getting it, I will not go ahead. I'll clarify something else. You are getting it?
Yes.
कितना easy हो जाता है मेरे लिए ना. So when I have told you three reality words. Yes, Satyam, Amritam, and Tucham. We will not discuss Tucham. You understood what is Tucham. Then you will say, I have to remember so many things. You need not remember because there is only one Satyam. Rather, it is easier to understand Satyam than Mithya. Okay? So, then based on you, I will explain whether you want to know about Satyam or whether you want to know about Mithya.
Both.
Time नहीं होगा. मेरा already schedule.
We have time.
We are friends.
तो मिथ्या जो है, सत्यम तो आप लोग पढ़ लोगे. मिथ्या is the anybody, like Narada also can come under the spell of Mithya. Mithya can really make you go around, and this spell of this Jagat is so real that anybody can get this Mithya. Mithyatvam is again of two types. One is, it is, therefore you see. It is, therefore you see. That is Ishvara Srishti. It is Ishvara Srishti. Another Mithya is, you see, therefore you think it is. Every time you see Ishvara Srishti, this Mithya, okay, what is this Mithya? The Jagat. Not created by you, not created by me. So when you will be doing meditation tomorrow, so you visualize about the stars, the blue sky, the planet, the sun, the moon, the mountains, hills, ocean, sea. Nothing happens, you are not disturbed because you don't want them to be different. Ishvara Srishti it is. You go to Haridwar, you go to Rishikesh, Lakshman Jhula, Beautiful, Ganga is beautiful, Himalayas are there. See one stupid building, red color, कैसा अजीब सा लग रहा है. Why this thing is there? I mean, at least like Austria, some sense of beauty should have been there. You are disturbed. So all that is there. So again, it is, therefore you see. Okay. The other is, yeah. So this is objective reality. So what you are seeing, what you all are seeing is the same thing. Subjective mithya is you see, therefore it is. A Raju Sarpa. Something is there and light is not adequate and you think it is a snake. It is not a snake. It is a rope or it is a hosepipe. Okay. So what you are seeing and you get scared. So what you are seeing, he is not seeing. So it is your projection of previous memory which is superimposed on something which we call adhisthana, and then, so that is subjective mithya. Now this subjective mithya which is Jiva Srishti, itna samajh mein aa raha hai?
Yes.
Which is Jiva Srishti is again of two types. Okay? Based on person, based on situation. Person is supposed to say, you don't take Devadatta as Somadatta. You know, even if you don't know this is Somadatta, at least even if you don't take him to be Somadatta, Devadatta, you may not know his name, but you do not mistake one person for another. That is a kind of mistake. Another kind of mistake which is very dangerous, it's subjective reality, is depending on the situation. So somebody is trying to sneeze. So this face takes all kinds of shape when somebody is trying to sneeze. What is it? This fellow doesn't like me. घर में होता है, ऑफिस में होता है. Somebody gets into the cocoon, of silence, and he or she is going through her things and trying to settle things. Then he says, he doesn't love me. He doesn't care for me, or she doesn't care for me. So that objectivity is not there. Your own that insecurity and fear is precipitating in the your thinking that he doesn't love me, or he is angry with me. My boss is angry with me. Maybe my appraisal will not be okay. This is your subjectivity, which is in that. When you said talk more about mithya, you try to see how these things are there. So not only that, also is of two types, good and bad. So when you say, like men, so they leave home and come back at late night. Your child starts calling you uncle, your wife has developed something else. So what happens? Because someone is putting more value in money, power, status, position, all that. So single-pointedly, someone, mostly all men, you pursue that, thinking that. In Sanskrit it is called Shobhana Adhyasa. Shobhana Adhyasa. Adhyasa means superimposition. Shobhana is, you think, in psychological terms it is called halo effect. You see, halo effect, a halo behind. So in Shastra we are very clear in the thing, in the sense, the Acharyas have told this. We have Ashtalakshmi. How many of you are aware of the concept of Ashtalakshmi in our culture? चलो एक तो है, साउथ से ही होंगे, बाकी नॉर्थ में ऐसा है नहीं. सो अष्टलक्ष्मी से धनलक्ष्मी, ट्रांसलेशन भी चाहिए. धनलक्ष्मी, धान्य लक्ष्मी, खाली वेल्थ डिपॉजिट और गोल्ड होने से नहीं होगा. धान्य लक्ष्मी, घर में खाना चाहिए और डायबिटीज भी नहीं होना चाहिए. हिंदी का धनलक्ष्मी, धान्य लक्ष्मी. फिर क्या? गृहलक्ष्मी, जैसे स्वामी किसी ये के घर नहीं जाते, बैचलर के घर, बिकॉज आवर मंत्र इज भवती भिक्षाम देहि. ओनली इफ देर इज ए भवती, देन ओनली देर इज ए हाउस, अदरवाइज वो तो कुमार रह जाता है. सो गृहलक्ष्मी इज हाउस, ओके, बट without the lady there is no Lakshmi. So then only your grihastha life is complete. Okay, गृहलक्ष्मी भी हो गया, बचा नहीं है, फिर तो परिपूर्ण नहीं है. कितना पैसा भी कमाने से क्या हो जाता है? जीव का प्रियम बदा बिरला. संतान लक्ष्मी, children, there is a progeny. You see all these other Lakshmis, they bring about a different kind of happiness in your life. So the more you understand that money alone, wealth alone is not everything, then you also give importance to other things, not just pursuing. मतलब सुबह गए, बच्चा इतना सा है, रात को आए भी बच्चा इतना सा है. तो तुम्हारे बेटा का कितना, कौन सा क्लास में पढ़ता है, हाइट कितना है, ऐसा है, ऐसे क्यों दिखाता हूँ? मैं सुबह जब आता हूँ तो इतना बड़ा रहता है, रात को भी आता हूँ इतना बड़ा रहता है, बेड में ही देखता है. धनलक्ष्मी, धान्यलक्ष्मी, गृहलक्ष्मी, संतान लक्ष्मी, वो सब कुछ हो गया. लेकिन व्हाट, जय लक्ष्मी खाली सैलरी मिल जाता है और अप्रेजल हो जाता है, एक ही मिल गया, दैट्स नॉट एनफ. यू पीपल वुड हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट. जय लक्ष्मी, देन व्हाट? Jai Lakshmi, everybody, if the career is not moving, there is something wrong. Vijay Lakshmi, exceptional, something exceptional. मतलब क्या तुम स्टेट हेड से कंट्री हेड बन जाते हो, खाली नाम के वास्ते नहीं, और 3-4 एक क्वांटम जंप in your salary, from micro you become macro. Vijay Lakshmi, like that. So this is called Shobhanadhyasa, when a person, especially a man, does not see this Ashtalakshmi will represent 16 Lakshmi or 100 Lakshmi, I mean, depends on what all you have value for. Okay, then only. So the more one is objective about what you want, then only you can spread out and make it a complete life. This is Shobhanadhyasa, halo effect. The other one is horn effect. The person is okay, but you think he doesn't love you. My boss doesn't like me. That is why he didn't give me excellent, he gave me good. He doesn't like me. Or my husband doesn't like me, my spouse doesn't like me. All that is again halo effect. You are imagining, such a thing is not there. You are imagining, that is why it is there. Again, a kind of mithya. So, the truth is, the related truth is, I am, therefore I think. What Descartes said, Descartes said, I think, therefore I am. ये तो आप बहुत सारे लोग जानते हो. So what happened? The thing is, Descartes was having coffee. Descartes was having coffee in India Coffee House, Delhi, and the boy came and said, "Sir, would you like to have one more cup of coffee?" Then he said, "Okay, I don't think so." And he vanished because he said, "I think, therefore I am." That is a very catchy thing, okay, to say that I think, therefore I am. But what we say means what? What is the vision of the Upanishad? You are, therefore you think. Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan ने कहा, अच्छा कहा, I have great respect for him, I admire his music. He said, I sing, therefore I am. No, the truth is, he is, therefore he sings. So that clarity if you have, all the problems, because Baki, if you go to art of living, the real, those masters who tell you about the art of living, all that will be, there is a basic problem, and you try to put that basic problem under the carpet and you try to solve things, is a palliative. Unless the root thing, what you are understanding, you are not knowing the truth, or you are not knowing how vast is this mithya, what type of mithya, this cannot be solved. So, and as he said, it is not an experience. It is all cognitive. Your understanding Satyam and Mithya is cognitive. And if you think that you have to remember what is Satyam and what is Mithya, Mithya I have already explained it to you. And there is only one Satyam. When you go back from the flower to the stamens and from this to the atom and thing, you arrive at a particular thing. The Upanishad calls it Satyam. The vision of the Upanishad is, and there is only one Satyam. So in Chandogya Upanishad, Uddalaka tells his son, who has become his disciple, that Sadeva Soumya idam agre asit. Satyava, in the beginning, this Jagat was there. Sadvastu was there. Now, Sadeva Soumya idam agre asit, ekameva advitiyam. What is that Sadvastu? What is that Sadvastu? The word term Sat has been given by the Upanishad. What is that? Ekam. He can stop at Ekam. Upanishad can stop at Ekam. Upanishad doesn't stop at Ekam. It says Ekam Eva. Only one. Advitiyam. Otherwise it can become the one that Upanishad is talking about can belong to a set of 3, a set of 5, a set of 10. In a set of 3 there is first, second and third. In a set of 5 there is first, second, third, fourth. No, it doesn't belong to a set. It is only one. The same Upanishad tells, okay, आप बोलेंगे ठीक है, एकमेव अद्वितीय, मुझे क्या, आप मुझे क्यों बता रहे हो? So Vedanta is not a system of philosophy. Vedanta is not a system of philosophy that you can ask. उसके बाद क्या? अच्छा, आपने कहा कि आप एक सेशन लेके आप बताएंगे. बताओ. Then I take all the effort to tell you what is Satyam, what is Mithya. मैं तो आप बताओ. ऐसा नहीं है. So you cannot afford to say कि what next? There is no next. Because what? I am not telling. This Upanishad is telling that यतो वा इमानि भूतानि जायन्ते. From that, from which everything has come, all this, whatever you can visualize about this planet, our solar system, this universe, that has come from which? Okay? यतो वा इमानि भूतानि जायन्ते येन जातानि जीवन्ति. In which all this is sustained. All this is sustained by which? We'll see what is that which. Then what happens? फिर क्या हुआ? Then यत् प्रयन्त विसंविसन्ति, to which everything goes back at the time of dissolution. तत् ब्रह्मेति, that is Brahma. Okay, मुझे क्या? तत् ब्रह्म वो है, मुझे क्या? तत् ब्रह्म तो बस. You say, what is this? How can I be? Brahman is presented as Sarvagya. I don't know Telugu. He is Sarvagya. I am not Sarvagya, I am Alpagya. He is Sarvavyapi. I am 5 feet 2 inches. I am Alpavyapi. Then he is Sarva Shaktiman. I am so scared of the club boys. Ganesh Puja आ रहा है, वो तो मेरा ये निकाल देंगे. तो how can I be Brahman? But then you have Shraddha in the Upanishad, and Upanishad says that Brahman Dvamasi, that thing, that conscious being, that which always is, because it will continue to be, is you. So how you have to study the Shastra, how it is. How you are knowing that you are Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma is not everything. You have to know that you are the cause of this Jagat Karanam, that Brahman, and you are the same. That is the vision of the Upanishad, and we say the purpose of human life is to understand that what really I am and what is the purpose of this life. Thanks.
Yes.